Welcome to our magical story time. Look, children, here comes the amazing letter A. Hello, everyone. Look what I have here. It's a shiny red apple. Can you say apple with me? Look at this big, shiny apple. It is red and very round. See how smooth it is? A is for apple. Bouncing, bouncing, letter A. It makes me want to sing and play. Little Astro-Ant, waving high, singing songs beneath the sky. Look at the apricot dance around, bouncing to the happy sound. And round the apple spins. It's a magical day to play with friends. Wiggle and clap to the rhythm beat. Dancing with friends is oh so sweet. All aboard the alphabet train, chugging down the track. A is the engine leading on train on keys of light, singing songs so happy and bright. Come and sing along with me, riding on the Alphabet Express. With my friends, learning is the best. Look up high, what do you see? A is for awesome, for you and me. All aboard the Alphabet Express. We are entering the tunnel of A right now. We've arrived at the biscuit station. Hello to our friend, the anchor in the sea. Come along with me. We're going on an adventure in the clouds. We are flying up so high today, looking for the letter A. Let's catch them in our net. Here come the lovely red apples for our friends below. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've landed safely on the letter A. What a brilliant adventure! The aeroplane is landing now on the amazing letter A. We made it safe, hip hip hooray! If you like to sing and play, tap the like and shout hooray! Subscribe, subscribe, and come with me, learn and sing happily. So kids, hope you enjoyed the rides. Now it's time to learn in our classroom. Hello everyone, look at our chalkboard today. A-P-P-L-E, that says apple. Can you say apple? Brilliant! Today we are learning about the letter A, and A is for apple. And look who it is! It's our friend the ant. He's marching past the letter A. Let's spell the word ant together. Look, A, N and T. You did it! A is for alligator. Look at him play the piano. Look, the alligators are showing us the word. Look up there, everyone. It's an aeroplane, bringing us a brand new word. Hello, everyone. Today we are looking at the letter A. A is for aeroplane. We sang, we learned, we had some fun. Hooray, hooray, well done, everyone. If you liked our song today, tap the like and smile my way. Subscribe, subscribe, and come back soon. We'll sing again a happy tune.